Hi there, this is Andriana Petratos from Los Angeles Hellenic Radio. This time I'm on special assignment, so to speak. I'm in Cancun, Mexico. First of all, I had to come here because I needed some R&R. Secondly, I had a little bit of dental work to do. Thirdly, I was doing some research and a dear friend of mine told me, why don't you go to Cancun, get your teeth done, have a vacation and do everything all at once. To be honest, I was a bit skeptical about going to Mexico to do all this. I did my research and my friend, who had actually done a lot of work here, was thrilled. June, for you. And
from New York.
From New York, yes.
That's important.
That's my hometown.
Yeah.
And she was telling me, why don't you go to Cancun Cosmetic Dentistry? And so I did. And I came here. And not only did I have my teeth done, not only have I made a whole bunch of friends in Cancun at this amazing clinic, I have found the most amazing doctor, and coming back soon, because I've got more work to do. He's not done with me yet, and I'm not done with him. So, and I figured, while I'm here, let me borrow his studio, because I'm not in my own, and let's have a few words with him so he can tell all my Greek American friends in Los Angeles and around the world what this is all about. Just like I find out, but now I'm bringing it to you. Dr. Germán Arzate.
Thank you, Adriana.
Welcome.
Thank you for inviting me to your program. I know
in your studio?
I'm my studio in your program. Thank you, and I want to also thank you for sharing also what we're doing here, and also the trust coming to Cancun, to sunny Cancun, to do dental procedure, doing implants.
I came on referral. It was a strong referral, and I couldn't be happier.
Oh, I'm so glad.
Your clinic is amazing. Your staff is amazing. Everything is amazing. But just for the people that don't know you yet, that will get to know you eventually, because I will not stop talking about you. Why would somebody consider coming to Cancun as opposed to doing their teeth somewhere else?
Well, actually, dental tourism has been a big thing 10 years ago, because many Canadians, Americans, and from all over the world, they start to travel to find same quality, a more affordable dentistry, and they travel a lot here to sunny Cancun to get their teeth done. Doesn't matter if it's a cosmetic work, a makeover, or even a cleaning, but what we do, what we are focused more, is on makeovers, complete makeovers, with implants, with all types of implants.
But you do have a full scope of services that you do?
Yes, okay. That's what we do, and what we plan to do always is within 1 week.
Right.
You don't need to come like more days. It's within 1 week, at least 1 week. Or if not, could be 10 days. But we're always.
I was done in 6
days.
And I had quite a bit of work done.
Yes, that's one of the things. And we get like 1,000 patients that they come here. They travel just specifically to do this dental tourism.
1,000 patients are from the US and Canada. From around the world?
Around the world, but probably 70% is from the States, 20% from Canada, and then around the world. I have from Australia, I have from Europe, and they just come.
Well, all of your testimonials and your videos with your patients are on your website?
Yes.
So you can see everything, see the work that he's done. Not only is he a master dentist, he's a sculptor.
Yes.
And you just recently had an exhibition in New York?
I had an exhibit in New York, yes, and it was amazing to do that, because I love to do dentistry and my passion is sculpture. So both things match perfectly because they're the same thing. Exactly. The only difference is the size. Right. That's the only. But I'm in love with aesthetics, and I really love what I do.
Great. So what are you going to say to our Greek American audience in Los Angeles and around the world?
Well, first of all, that you don't need to travel all the way to Greece to do your teeth, because I know that it's part of the dental tourism. You can find also a solution here. Mexicans and Greeks are like kind of the same, because they are like
First of all, very hospitable, you know.
Exactly.
With the exception of the language thing, great food like in Greece, great hospitality like in Greece, and great dentists like in Greece.
Exactly.
But here's a clincher. Years ago, Greek people would go to Greece because dental work has always been very expensive in the United States. So whenever a Greek or a Greek American had a tooth problem, they'd save it for the summer, go to Greece, combine the two. Now, you can come to Cancun, have a week off, do your teeth, and have a whole bunch of money left over to go to Greece on vacation later for the summer. So it's win-win either way.
And also, if you were asking about, and I want to say that if you were asking about what's the type of quality that we have and what are we doing, we're hosting one of the greatest courses that we have in the States from the American Academy of Implant Dentistry. Actually, here's with
Yes,
us.
we have
Dr.
Dr.
Minichetti.
Minichetti.
Please join us.
Hey, hi guys. How you doing, Dr. Arzate?
Fine.
How you
Hello,
doing?
hi.
Good to see you again.
Good to see you
Nice
again.
meeting you out there.
Nice
You were so
meeting-
happy with your smile. I had to come up and find out what was going
Exactly.
on. So
And
thanks
you're
for
from
having
my neck of the
us.
woods,
Yes, from the New York area.
From the New York area.
New Jersey area. So I'm here.
Tell us, what's all this excitement
Yeah, I'm
that's
actually
going
here
on?
with a group of doctors. We have 9 doctors from our Las Vegas AID Maxi course. Dr. Arzate was a participant of that several years ago. Now he's getting his credentialing, and he's now hosting and director of our live surgical program. This facility is such top-notch, as you had mentioned, that we are using it as our surgical training.
Isn't that amazing?
And the doctors are pumped. They're getting all the best technology, the best instruction from some of the worldwide leaders in the implant field
And something
at the center.
Something
Yep.
I need to stress. Everybody speaks English here. There is no concern. The staff from the door all the way back, you have no problem whatsoever. Everything is perfectly understandable either way.
Awesome. Yeah, we're having a great time here, and thanks again for hosting us
Thank
and being
you.
such a great partner and director.
Thank you,
And
thank
lovely
you.
to meet
Thank you.
you.
Nice meeting
Thank
you
you for
too.
calling me in. Thank you so
of
much.
course. Our
Yes,
pleasure.
thank you, Adriana. Thank you for
And
allowing me to be here in your
and
program.
one last thing
One last
before we
thing.
go off.
Yes,
We were having a little talk before about something special for my Greek listeners.
of course, of course.
Please stay tuned because we will be making a very, very big announcement from Cancun Cosmetic Dentistry and Dr. Arzate.
Can I give a hint or not?
A small one.
A small one?
Let's keep some suspense going.
It's gonna be a contest.
We're gonna have a contest.
It's related with cosmetics.
No more. No more. Stay tuned.
Okay.
LA Hellenic Radio, and you will find out. This is big.
Thank you.
From Cancun, thank you.
Thank you. Big hugs.